What is NPK? NPK refers to the three main elements in compost: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. All three of these elements do something different for your plants, but it's important to have all of them to maintain a healthy plant overall. Nitrogen helps with new shoots. You can make a nitrogen feed, gives you better lettuces. A good indicator that you need more nitrogen is the leaves at the bottom of the plant will go very yellow. And my go-to feed for this is a nettle feed. You just cut nettles to the base, put them in a big bucket of water, hold them down there, something heavy like a rock or a brick. They'll break down and you have a sort of nitrogen feed that you can concentrate, and you can use that to feed your nitrogen deficient plants. Phosphorus helps with your roots. A good plant to use it on is carrots. A sign that you might not have enough phosphorus in your soil is the leaves will start to go a purple colour, and the best feed that I've found for it is crushed up eggshells just put around in through the soil around your plant. Potassium helps your fruits or flowers. A good plant to use it on is any fruit producing plant. A sign that you need more potassium in your soil is the tips of the leaves will start to go brown, and a good feed for this is banana peel rich compost or blended up banana peel put in through the base of the plant. On the back of your fertilizer bags or compost bags you'll see this 677. What this refers to is the NPK rating, so 6% of the bag contains nitrogen, 7% contains phosphorus, and 7% of it is potassium, or potash it might say as well. This one is 5% nitrogen, 3% phosphorus, and 3% potassium, but it is important to have maybe a more abundant of one depending on the plant you're putting it on, but also all of them are needed to make sure your plant stays healthy. And finally, an easy way to remember what each thing's for is shoots, roots, and fruits. That's a simple way to remember it. If you've learned something new, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.